to Laurice's kitchen. No one can understand what the hell I'm saying. This mask. It's hot, it makes my nose itch, I'm constantly having to readjust it, and I'm going hoarse from having to yell at everybody because everyone's always 6 feet away. I can never see anything. Every time I look down, all I ever see is this mask. So there's stuff here. I'm sure there's some blueberries. I think there's a banana and some yogurt, but I don't know what else. Oh, I know there's honey. Anyway, it goes in this blender. The grocery store lately sucks monkey butt because I can't get my favorite blended drink. And no, I didn't add kale to this because I don't hate myself. It's impossible to drink too. Maybe not. Life in the pandemic. I can just do this. Oh my God. The berries are frozen in here. There we go. Thank you for visiting Laurice's kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind the scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.